So, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Podcast Connection Stories of Us. If you wanna know the latest updates in this story, please like and subscribe to my YouTube account and follow Citronis OP on TikTok account. Take note, disclaimer, this is a pre-recorded episode. I will explain it further when I edit this video. So, LGBT. There is a lot of things when it comes to your mind in LGBT. And the meaning of LGBT is umbrella, a lot, very many. And the meaning of LGBT is so a lot already. Like when you simplify it further, it says LGBT, lesbian, gays, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex, asexual, and many more. Before before I think issue in LGBT here is so taboo, but now it's already open. LGBT has so many issues facing them. Discrimination primarily. Second, against the belief of religion. They said that if you're gay, you won't go to heaven. That's what they said. I didn't say that. And me, as a supporter of LGBT, it hurts to see there are a lot of discrimination. And I'm man, I am straight. I understand their feeling. One day if my children are part of LGBT, I can accept them. Who they are, as long as they are good in society, they're okay with it. I'm okay with it. Like the story featured here, where one LGBT person experienced discrimination from his own family, wanting him to be like that and not what he wants to be. Please listen to the story now. On one night, there was a guy named Christopher. No, 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 no. Change the name. There was a one guy named Anthony. Anthony was born male, biologically male. He was the parents. The parents of Anthony thought that this son will grow up as a man, as what the parents said. When they grow up, when Anthony grows up, he doesn't want to play with male toys, but plays with dolls, Barbies instead. Wears skirt, wears high heels, and wants his long, straight hair. He tried to hide this from the parents because he knew himself that the father and the parents specifically, wait, I'll adjust the camera. The parents wait, the parents specifically wanted him to be straight. However, one accidental night when Anthony uses mom's makeup and dad saw him using makeup, of course, the first thing that dad did to him was he drowned him in the barrel and say, "Are you a man or are you a mermaid?" If you don't know what mermaid means, it's gay. Reference from Sirena Glock 9, where the story of Serena is featured by the dad who hurts his LGBT son because he's gay. So he drowned him. He drowned him in the barrel. And he says, "Are you a man or gay?" He says, his Anthony says, "I'm a girl." So dad, furious, punches him, does everything, leaving Anthony bruises from his dad's beating abusive. On the school, when Anthony wanted to go to school, he experienced discrimination. Also, Anthony is a people pleaser. He wants everyone to please him around. But it's different because he experienced bullying from the classmates because he was gay. The bunch of bullies named Jordan sorry, let's hide his name, Jordan Fool, and bunch of his gangsters, bullies, punched him because he's a gay. Nobody speaks up for him because, of course, they will get involved and he is gay. With no one to lean on, no one to support him, Anthony cries in bedroom. He doesn't want to tell his parents because if they found out they punch him because he's gay, the father will even make it worse. Not until he went high school, in the senior high school, where he meets some people and they are understanding to us. Of course, Anthony meets a guy named Greg, a nerdy guy in senior high school. Of course, they do not know at them first. Anthony feels welcome in that school because that school accepts who you are, what you are, whatever you are. If you're funny, you're accepted. If you're smart, you're accepted. If you're TikToker, you're accepted. Anything. They treat you as family. No one cares where you belong. No one cares if you're gay. No one cares who you are, what you are, whatever you are. They accept you there. So of course, Anthony feels welcome there and meets, and even Anthony has friends with a circle of friends of girls. Anthony meets some girls named Bella, Carla, Dahlia, and Jane. And even these are Anthony's closest circle of friends. And also Anthony is friends with the class president Moana. So of course Anthony being accepted there, he is welcome. And even Greg himself accepts him. There was one time when Anthony likes Greg, but Greg says no because Greg likes Mika, as in Mika Lim. Anthony keeps liking him, wants to do everything, and Greg, as he understands that he is gay, but he doesn't like his feelings. So Anthony keeps forcing himself that Greg likes him, but Greg will say no always, excluding all his efforts. When Greg, as usual, does the calculus class, of course, and Greg will help Bella, Carla, Dahlia, Jane, his circle of friends. They make an assignment, they make a performance task for them, but he cannot make for Greg. He is he felt like Greg does hates him or what, but Greg understands him that I do not like you, please understand me. So of course Anthony accepts the fact that he doesn't like him and decides to find another man, and they just become friends instead. Greg wanted to find I no. Anthony wanted to find Greg Reto or dating, and he knows his friend named Fiona. Fiona, the friend of him as well, during his high school years. If you do not know Fiona is, Fiona was a person who understands him, accepts him who he is. Tinatanggap siya kahit sino pa siya. Naintindihan niya yung pangyayari. Kaya naging magkaibigan sila. Itong si Fiona, Fiona wants to find also guy because Fiona already got busted by the guy named wait, sorry for thinking. Van. Van rejects her feelings, so Anthony teases Fiona that Fiona likes Greg. But Greg says, no, why would I like her? Lol. And then, so of course, because of him, Greg and Fiona are, just chatting casually, just being friends. And of course, Greg is happy that because of Anthony, he found already the person that chats him because Greg desperately wants to have chatmates. Because Greg already get FO'd by his 4-year classmate and also wants to find new girl best friend. Anthony wanted to chat Greg as well, and Greg greets him happy birthday because it was his birthday last week. And so Anthony says thank you. Pleasure a lot. But he makes a favor. He wants to make my day out of him. And so Greg says, no, I can't. I'm focusing on my YT channel. I'm focusing on gaming, talk shows, etc. And then Anthony laughs but says, okay. The story of Anthony proves that even though no, wait. I forgot. I still have cliffhanging ending. However, when Anthony decides to go home, his parents apologized him for what he did and they accepted who he is, who he was, who he wants to be. And they understand his feelings already and they hug each other. And that's the happy ending of Anthony. Anthony's story may prove that against all odds from the persons around you, you can still find someone trusted, willing to understand your problems. Like for example, when Anthony already went to another school during senior high school, he felt welcome there. No one judged him, no one teases him, no one bullied him for what he is. And so Anthony felt comfortable in that school, and that's the end of the story. So moral of the story, um, we will not judge you for who you are, what you are, and what you wanna be. You like. Ignore the people around you that judges you and hates you. So, I'll find another picture. This one. It's a Pride Month. Wait, I'll try to. Oh, it's a Pride Month, and I almost forgot to make an episode podcast about LGBT because this month is Pride Month, and I have still reserved episodes that I make, and I forgot LGBT. And I wanted to make this before the pre-uploaded episodes of 2 special episodes, the wedding day and the others. That's what I'm gonna make the pre-uploaded episodes on Thursday. So, I decided to include this on the episode because Pride Month is almost done. And so I want to feature this. And that's what I've said. Anthony is part of this, the rainbow community, the LGBT. But they were judged a lot, especially the Christians, that they said that God only make two sex, men and female. When let's go back to the topic. When I say sex, it's not bastos, it's not pervert. It is binary, biologically what you were born. There's only two sex, men and female. man and woman. But when I say gender, there is a lot, not just limiting for men and women. There is gay, there is lesbian, there is bisexual, a lot that I cannot describe it more because there's so many already. Plus, plus, plus. And so, as your reader of the story, I understand what you feel. I do not judge them. As long as they do not do bad in the society, I accept it. And so, here in the advice section for the parents, number one, good thing that you already learned your lesson by accepting his son, whatever you are, whoever he is. Not just for the story that I featured in the podcast, but all parents there that has a son LGBT. This these words that I'm saying will cause controversial and I might get bashed. But I am willing to accept getting bashed here because of what I say here. I do not stop you because we have different opinions. If it's part of your tradition that you are not allowed to be an LGBT, then I could have understand at least. But if it's not part of any tradition, then I have a right to say this, but you cannot abuse your son just because he's part of LGBT. Your daughter, specifically any persons. We do not have rights to punch them, to abuse them. Yes, it's true. When they found out that their son is gay, their daughter is lesbian, they will abuse them. They do not care their feelings. They invalidate it instead. And this is the number one discrimination that comes from their family. Instead of the one that supports them, they are the ones that downgraded them, degraded their personality. Please understand, accept it. Accept the fact that your child is like that. You cannot dictate what is his mind, what is his heart, what is that person's heart. Because that person is the one controlling themselves and not you parents. Advice for you parents, number two, you have no right to abuse anyone, especially part of this. You know, I saw this music video, Serena, and the introduction of the story is so kind of heartbreaking because they found out, the father found out that his son is gay. And because he is gay, he drowned him in the barrel. He wanted to drown him and tell him, are you a man or are you a woman? And then when he answered a woman, they drowned him even further. And I even saw the neighbors laughing, mocking them. Mag-ina daw. Because he is gay. Sorry. Let me show you a proof. I am not making a story here. I am like, sorry for the ads.
Having a non-verbal.
I'm sorry for the ads. I wanted to show you this is reality.
Ano ka ba? Lalaki ka ba, babae? Babae po. Ha? Walang hiya ka! Wala akong anak na bakla!
Are you said that he is a woman, he identified himself as a woman, the father drowned him even furthermore. Because he said that there is no child that is gay. And I even saw this, and I even saw at. I will stop first. Back. And the fact that in the ending it's still heartbreaking because the son that getting abused is the one taking care of the father that, you know, I still believe forgiveness is a thing. Like, remember episode 5 and episode 1? If only the featured story like Avery, I know this is out of topic already. Avery willing to listen to Jordan's story instead and understand what he feels. Her heart will not be full of anger, but her heart will fill with forgiveness. So I think that son has forgiveness in his heart and decides to accept his father's apology from abusing him. So I think that's the only two advice I can give for the parents. And as for you, Anthony, number one, never listen to the critics there. As long as you feel that you did nothing, you are fine. I understand what you feel. Number two, whoever you are, whatever you are, I understand it. They will understand you. You like someone will not control your life, who you are, what you are. It's your life. If you wanna be LGBT, go. Go. There's no one stopping you from being an LGBT. I am not supporting here LGBT, but if that person really wants to be part of LGBT, I cannot stop them. It's their own life. It's their own decision. And we persons do not dictate their life. That's what I'm saying. And maybe and that's it for today. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Bye.